I did it! I packed in a tote bag. This is really fucking cool. It's time to go. I'm shedding a layer without ruining my outfit. I got caught in the rain.
What?
What up, shorties? So we're going to Santa Ynez today for a couple days, and I am typically an overpacker, so for this trip I really wanted to challenge myself to pack light using this Rad Petite blue tote I got. It's super cool. It has all these compartments inside, a zipper, laptop case, which won't be used this time, outside zipper, and this badass compartment for shoes so your shoes won't get crushed, which is always a big concern of mine. Let's get started.
Walking down your street again.
Oh, and then something really cool. I just got this new bra from True & Co. You can, I guess, crush it and then it'll go back to the shape. Aaron can't believe that that's all my clothes.
You wanna see mine?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'm too lazy to not pack so much.
It is a ton of work to pack light, actually.
Exactly.
On to the next thing. Oh yeah, one thing that I've always done is stuffing your shoes with socks or any intimates. I like to put my intimates in a little canvas bag. The moment of truth. Fitting my clothing, accessories, and toiletries in this tote. I've got the booties in there. Inside are my intimates, socks, and belts. I'm gonna try to fit my shower toiletries in this little gap. And on top, I'm gonna throw my sliders. Now, it's a matter of zipping it up. This is perfect. I really feel like you could fit so many more things in this bottom slot besides shoes, which is super helpful. One thing I always like to do is bring a large canvas bag for any dirty laundry. Kansas, are you ready to go? Yeah? Oh, look guys, my pants match Kansas. Hey! I did it! I packed in a tote bag. It's not light, but it's also not super heavy. It's cute! Alright, I'm gonna try the strap on. I do kind of wish that the hardware was gold and not silver. Awesome! Yeah, this is really fucking cool. I like it a lot. Alright, I think it's time to go to Santa Ynez, finally. See if these shot wipes work for the only pants I have planned for this trip. As we were leaving, I was picking up the yard, aka Kansas's room, and I thought he finished his ice cream, but he didn't. And so when I picked it up, it literally got all over my pants. And I scraped it out, but I hope they don't stink this whole trip.
Get it! Get it!
Now we're gonna go get some wino, right Kansas? Baby love. This is the closet setup, which is actually really nice and spacious. Anyway, I'm gonna get dressed and we shall get the day started.
Let's go.
What do you think?
Good. Yeah.
Alright, Kansas. I'm ready. Oh my god, you're so beautiful.
Why did I not bring my board?
You wanna board slide that rail?
All right, what do we got here?
We've got a black coffee for you, Mr. Smith, a vegan gluten-free chocolate chip cookie, and a monkey bar. These pants again, I even spilled coffee on them, and you can't even tell. Are you my dog? You're my dog! What are you doing?
See my friends, and god damn it.
What is that, Kansas? Is it a skate park?
Damn it. Looks good.
A. Smith is bummed.
What are we doing?
I'm shedding a layer without ruining my outfit. Did it.
Ta-da! And Kansas just looks good.
All the time.
All the
I think he
time.
needs water, actually.
Oh, fuck.
I know. So much for just grabbing quick coffee and heading back to the hotel room. Mission accomplished. This is the hotel lobby during the day. Yes?
$145. Get him.
He's camera shy. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing for dinner. I totally didn't need to change, but just helps morale. We didn't get a chance to go to wine tasting because we got caught up working, prepping for a shoot Aaron is doing on Sunday. But I think we got everything we needed to. Aaron's just buying some accessories for the shoot. Yeah. Anyway, this is a top that I've had from Topshop for years now. I think I got it for Camp Flognog, which was a random music festival I went to with some friends. It's pretty flattering. I really like the way it looks, but it is falling apart. I mean, it is Topshop. The shininess, Lurex, I think it's called, is totally rubbing off. When you're moving and having a good time, I feel like you can't tell. The pants are really loose, which is great because it's just comfy and it also makes you feel super skinny.
Do you think your shorties want to see my new dance moves?
Yeah. I want to see your new dance moves. That is the new dance move.
It's pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything
So-
I don't change
Yeah.
since you did?
Fashion.
What?
We're waiting for the Uber to get here and she's letting us bring Kansas.
Sit. Good boy.
What a good boy.
Fuck you, man. What's happening?
One of the waiters is obsessed with Kansas. Well, actually, all the waiters are obsessed with Kansas. And one of them came out with a chicken leg. So I am pulling the meat off of it to feed to Kansas, who's currently passed out on the floor. Chicken fingers.
What is that?
It's a steak. It's a steak. Count us.
Yeah, I think he can for sure have this one. Oh my god.
Thanks, man.
1, 2, 3.
Ride around, little doggies, ride around, let 'em slow. For the fiery and the snuffy are raring to go.
1, 2, 3.
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. And please don't tell me that by perhaps, I'm sure the world you love them. Keep giving us the love you can. Stand by
Kansas. It looks like he doesn't have a head.
And your mommy over there.
There we go. Good boy. You gonna leave us?
He's like, God, that was torture.
What's it like out there?
Oh, it's beautiful. It was a beautiful day, and then it started raining. Do you think I should change? I think I'll be fine with just the coat.
Yeah.
Okay. I might change later though, for the road trip. Oh, it's blurred out. I guess it's time to go. We also do have like 10 minutes to get everything out of here. But luckily, I packed light, so I don't have that much to put in my bag. Kansas, are you all packed? Yeah. All right. Bye, Lancey. You were fun.
All right. What happened?
I got caught in the rain. It was sunny this morning.
I know.
It's just
How's your
wet.
bag keeping up?
It's nylon with cruelty-free leather, so just like my jacket, it's not gonna get damaged. Walking back from the coffee shop, we got caught in the rain, so I am gonna get changed. My shoes got soaked, my feet are wet, so they're just uncomfortable at this point. My bag held up really nicely though, since it's made out of nylon. It repelled all the water, and my stuff inside is nice and dry. Anyway, I am gonna get dressed so we can get this show on the road. I'm really excited to have this True & Co bra. It's perfect for t-shirts, especially fitted, really thin fabric t-shirts, because it doesn't show any bra lines, and it's super comfortable. Last look of the trip. Everlane hoodie, same Everlane corduroys, socks, sandals, same purse, t-shirt, invisible bra, compliments of True & Co. And this awesome tote bag that fits all my stuff. Really nice not to have to lug a big suitcase around. And of course, after getting soaked, it's a beautiful sunny day again. So we were driving home and saw this epic lake.
Oh, the view, Jesus.
Mud.